welcome back to our YouTube channel. Our topic for this evening is understanding theoretical opening price or TOP. Many of the retail traders never heard about this TOP before, but I'm going to tell you that this TOP is very useful, especially under certain scenarios. So that's the reason why I'm bringing this topic to discuss with you. What is theoretical opening price? So later I'm going to discuss or define what is TOP, theoretical opening price, and what is their critical role, especially when it comes to your trading. So without further ado, let us start our topic for this evening. Now before that, if this is your first video, please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels and on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our video. Now my name is Ting Ting. As usual, before we start, we need to do a disclaimer. Our topic for this evening is only meant for education purposes. There's no buy or sell call. Now first thing, what is theoretical opening price? Or in short, we call it as TOP. Can you see this TOP? So it takes from the short form of T, theoretical opening, O, and price, P. So this is your TOP. In your trading platform, you're going to see this column. Can you see at the last column, which is your TOP? But some of the trading platform, especially those customized trading platform, if you can't see this particular column, please add in this column, because for those customized trading platform, definitely they will allow you to add in the column that you require. But majority of the platform, especially online trading platform, automatically they are going to give you those importance column already. Bid ask, for example, last trading price, high low price, closing price, TOP. These are all the importance column already being set up. But just in case in your trading platform you couldn't find these TOP columns, you can add in by yourself. So this TOP, I'm going to use this short form, easier for me to explain to you, easier for me to define it as well. Now this TOP is only important at certain stage. Later I'm going to let you know first thing. So mainly it's very useful, or we will only use this TOP during pre-opening stage. In short, what is the pre-opening stage? For example, for futures itself, every half an hour before the market open, we have this pre-opening stage. So during pre-opening stage, you can submit your trading orders, but none of the orders will be matched. This is the definition of pre-opening stage. So during this session, the TOP will function. How it functions? It will auto-calculate the buyer, the seller, and they are expecting what is the opening price. So this TOP will reflect and automatically updated as per the buyer and seller coming into the market. So meaning you do not need to wait until the market open, then only you can judge or estimate what will be the opening price. Later I'm going to let you know why this is important. So the first thing, you just need to understand what is this theoretical opening price. It will only appear during the pre-opening stage. So once the market open, this TOP is none of your business. But before that, during your pre-opening stage, it is very useful. Now, why is this TOP important? Now, before I let you know about why this TOP is important, let me give you some scenario for you to understand why we need this TOP. First thing, for example, I give you two common scenarios. For example, if yesterday night while we are sleeping, Dow Jones dropped a lot. Let's say drop by 2% or 3% or 300 points or 500 points. Now, what will be the impact to our Malaysian market for today? We do not know. Because sometimes Dow Jones drop a lot, it doesn't mean that Malaysian market will follow in tandem. We might be bucking the trends, we might be going higher. Sometimes even they increase a lot, we might be the other way around. So we need this TOP to gauge how will Malaysian market react to it. So this is one of the scenarios. Another scenario is, for example, any events, major events, like for example 911 or Malaysia election, or any unprecedented events or any unpredictable events happens, what will happen to our Malaysian market? So this TOP will give you sufficient time for you to strategize. So later I'm going to answer the three important parts about this TOP. So these two scenarios show you how important is this TOP. So let me summarize in three important points about why TOP is important. First, when you're having this TOP, you can judge the market sentiments. Like just now the two scenarios, you're not able to really know what is the impact towards Malaysian market using this TOP, the price movement, because for the half an hour, the pre-opening stage, this TOP will keep on changing. They will give you some ideas about the market sentiments. So you are able to anticipate the market sentiments. So this is the first point why TOP is important. Second, it will give you some informed decision. So right now you already know the market sentiments. You are able to make a decision based on the market scenarios so that you are able to make a decision what are the trading strategies that you are going to take, or what are the things that you need to do. Are you going to panic selling? You do not need to do that. Or are you going to buy a lot, for example? Third, why this TOP is important. Once you know the market sentiments, you have an informed decision. The third thing is definitely you're able to come up with your trading strategies. You can prepare. You have half an hour time for you to do some preparation. But if many of us, if you do not know TOP, you just blindly guess what will be the opening price. It's very hard for you to know. So you need this TOP to roughly guide you through exactly what will be the market opening price so that you can in advance prepare your trading strategies. So these are the three top important points about TOP. Now, strategies for using TOP. So once you understand this all, how are you going to strategize using this TOP? This TOP will help you first thing. You can monitor. Like just now, you anticipate, you monitor, you can monitor the market sentiments, etc. From there, you can in advance set your orders. Like for example, whether you want to buy, you want to sell, you want to cut loss, you can in advance put in your trading orders. You don't need to wait until the market open, then only you put in your trading orders. Sometimes it might be too late. Sometimes the market too volatile during opening. It's harder for you to even gauge. You can in advance do certain things before the market open. Now the things is definitely subsequently after your monitoring, you can set your orders, then it's definitely you can prepare. Subsequently, what is your entry levels, what is your exit level, what is the strategies that you want. So these are all the things that you can do using TOP. That's why understanding TOP is very important. Now, in conclusion, the most important parts that I wanted to highlight is we must know about this TOP. Then we do not need to worry too much. Many of us, before the market open, you cannot gauge how the market is going to open. But this particular part will help you. And for those who are trading stocks, even worse, because you do not know how the stock market is going to react, you can look at futures market. Because futures market, first thing, we open earlier. So we open earlier by 15 minutes. That's 15 minutes in advance that you can get to strategize. Second thing, the pre-opening stage started half an hour before the actual opening time. So in total, you have 45 minutes to prepare. So first thing, definitely you will be able to anticipate what is the market going to open. You can predict. Then you can start to make your trading decision, what kind of things that you wanted to do. So when you start to make your trading decision, or in advance, you can start with your planning of your trading or strategize. This would definitely reduce your trading risk. So for those, your platform do not have this TOP, start to insert this column, start to view, especially during high volatile market, or any major events happen in the market, or overnight Dow Jones having huge drop or huge what we call it as uptrend, then we will need to in advance prepare for this. So I hope this particular topic in terms of theoretical opening price will help you in your trading itself. And before I end, my name is Ting Ting. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels and on your notification bell. I'm going to see you in our next video. Please remember to give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.